Fuck off!
Well, my drive died, so. Oh, shut your looking ass up. The Naruto thing, don't rush that. Shut your helicopter ass up, bro. EVAN.
My chair did it again.
I'm dead just because of low life. EDP, electric dick pedophile. Bro, people keep saying I look like a 9-year-old, but I sound like a 15-year-old. It's pissing me off. Oh my god.
Bro, that's crazy, bro, because I didn't really ask.
Fat ass.
Bro, just impulse away, you little fucking pussy.
He sounds like Deji.
What the fuck are you on here? I'm not doing nothing, bro. I'm playing the game, so
That's right.
I'm like, I left, man.
I'm gonna kick you, bro. Your mic sounds like a wind tunnel.
Fucking third party me, bro. Let's get something dynamite up your ass.
I should have called someone else.